don't know. I think we'll have to go see.
Let's split up.
Let's go.
Let's just go up here. I'm about to put down my grenade and stuff.
Okay, we're going up there. I seen it.
Here, I'm doing a shot over the thing. Oh, we're not supposed to.
The zombies disappeared.
Right here, I'll turn this light on for 1,000. Damn. Alright, here, let's clear out that room first. Open the door.
Door's locked.
Alright, want to try this one?
Sure. Oh, crap, the zombies. Yes. Have our reload.
Go ahead, reload. I'll cover you. I'm covering it right now.
You must reactivate the power.
Alright, get the power on, Kaden.
Where's the mystery box? Turn it down. The mystery box is broken. The zombie's broken.
I hear some downstairs. Let's go.
Pull the door, too.
Did I get any grenades? Throw another grenade.
You have to get the bullets. Get the bullets. You cannot let the zombies eat them.
We'll have to send the dogs out. Go, boys. Get them. Clear out that room. We got these dogs are on our side.
Yeah, good. Here's one the clip for me. There.
What?
Grenade.
Alright. You got another one? I want two. Maybe we can throw them now?
Ah! Yeah, please come around. That's the clip.
Alright, let's go.
Go.
Come on out. Let's clear out the basement.
Sure.
I've always been scared of the basement. We gotta spend some money to turn on the power up down there. Cost $1 million. I got it though. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Hold up, blow it up.
You clear this room, I clear other room.
Alright. Dogs, sit, stay. Rooms are being protected by dogs now. We put a dog in every room.
Right.
Anyone in there?
Let me do it. You open the other door.
Here, I'll spend some more money on this light too.
Okay.
It costs like 1,000.
Wait.
I got a grenade.
Crap. Guns down.
Hold on. This door's hard to get open.
I got freaking one dart out the clip.
There's nothing in there.
No, you can't look at the zombies.
Alright. Ready to go? I think that room's clear.
Yeah, we're going to have to check out the other rooms.
Let's just do it. Let's go. While we can. Power's on.
Oh! Let's turn around all the power in the house. What's that? Hey, somebody hand me that bullet. Just get it. I got it.
Alright, let's go.
No, you stay right there. I'm going to go my clip.
Come on, dogs. We got more zombies to get over here. Come on, King. Let's get these zombies.
I'm going to go over here.
Yeah, give me some face time. Good. Throw it away here. I'll start the fire.
Fire's going to be on. Fire no power. You just turn on all the power. Go.
Power. Come on. We got power here. Give me a grenade. I got your grenade downstairs. Well, I see one over here.
Hey.
Hold on.
Here's the car. Put that on your car.
Got it. Let's check. Where we check? We gotta check this door over here. We've never done it yet.
What door?
The door where they usually come from.
Let's get it. Grenade is
You open it up. I throw the grenade. Open the door. Ready? Oh, you gotta twist it the other way. Close it.
Let's go.
Alright,
what's up if I eat it. Come on, stop.
let's do max power.
Max power?
Or max ammo. Wait, we gotta pack the punch. Turn it out here, I'll do it.
Shuffle.
What you gotta do?
Sniper. Got sniper. Yeah.
All the power's on.
Yeah, we're going to throw all the gun stuff.
Hold on, I'm gonna pay for that. Look, power in there now too.
Yeah. Zombie, say hello to your friends.
Nice! It's gone out of my hands. Put your whole gun together. What is grenades?
Yeah, but they never refused them before.
I'm gonna change to
I'm
the
not
small
gonna do it.
fastest. You guys ready? Dogs ready?
Gun's not working, so. Hey, I'm not ready.
I got the poisonous snake too.
Don't use that yet. Don't use that yet. Keep one weapon here, okay?
Alright,
We'll use one weapon.
I'm gonna switch to this one.
No, it's okay. Come on.
Here.
No, I don't want it.
Yeah, chance for the video.
Here, let go. No dogs.
Hey, I'm opening this door.
Oh, that's a
Juggernaut.
juggernaut. Alright.
Juggernaut
Oh, wait.
is good.
Hold up, I see him.
Hey, this is Juggernaut. Woo! Here goes my Juggernaut.
Hold up. I want to use my fast gun on him.